In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable periodic scanning in Microsoft Defender. This feature allows you to use Defender as a backup scanner while still keeping McAfee as your primary antivirus protection. Let's jump right into the settings and get started. First, we need to access the main Windows settings. To do this, simply click the Start button on your taskbar. This is the button with the Windows icon, typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu appears, look for the Settings gear icon and click on it. This will open up the Windows Settings app where we can make all the necessary changes. Next, let's navigate to Windows Security within the Settings app. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of categories. Look for the one labeled Privacy and Security and click on it. After doing so, you'll be presented with a range of options related to your system's safety. Among those, find Windows Security. You'll notice it has a shield icon beside it, a little visual cue that you're in the right spot. Go ahead and click on that option. Now we've arrived at the Windows Security dashboard, which is the main hub for managing your security settings. Here, we'll focus on enabling the backup scanner feature. Begin by clicking on the section called Virus and Threat Protection. This area is dedicated to safeguarding your system from viruses and malware. Scroll down this page until you find a link labeled Microsoft Defender Antivirus Options. Click on this link to access further settings for Defender. The final step is to find and enable the periodic scanning option. Once you're in the Defender Antivirus Options, look for a switch labeled Periodic Scanning. Simply click the switch to turn it on. By enabling this, you're allowing Microsoft Defender Antivirus to periodically scan your system for threats, providing an extra layer of security. It's particularly useful if you want added peace of mind without fully transitioning away from your current antivirus provider, in this case, McAfee. And there you have it. With periodic scanning enabled, you can continue using McAfee as your primary defense while benefiting from Microsoft Defender's backup protection. It's a smart way to enhance your system's security without compromising on your preferred antivirus software. Enjoy the added security, and remember, staying informed and vigilant is key to keeping your digital life secure. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.